Children, after sending a king and its family member to jail, there were the elections declared. In this election, this time the Jacobins planned to give right to vote to all men of 21 years and above. Means this time there was no difference between the propertied and non-propertied section of the society, and all the men, those who were of either of 21 years or above, all they were granted right to vote. And after when the elections were over, again the Jacobins got majority in this election and became the major party the in this election and formed a government, and this government was known as the convention government. As they came into power, they passed a decree on 21st September 1792. Already I have told you the meaning. Decree means law. They passed a law on 21st September 1792 and declared France a republic and abolished monarchy. Means the constitution of 1791, which declared France a constitutional monarch where the king was the symbolic head of the country. This time the king's rule was totally abolished. Means this time king was not the symbolic head. Who became the head? One of the person who was elected. The elected representative became became the head of the country. So in this way there was again a transformation of power from constitutional monarch to the republican form of government. After the formation of the republican form of government, there was a trial, you can say a legal process in which Louis XVI was a case was filed against him, and the court passed a verdict of sentence to death on the charge of treason. Sentence to death you can say in Hindi like फांसी की सज़ा. Charge of treason already I have told you the meaning. The literal meaning is betrayal of one's country, government or country, or against the activities against the interest of the country or nation. So he was charged on this and was sentenced to death by the court. On 21st January 1793, he was executed at the place de la Concorde. 21st January it was 1793, it was the day when he was executed. He was punished this at the place de la Concorde. Here you can see on the screen, you can see the execution of the Louis XVI. उसको फांसी की सज़ा दी जा रही है. You can see over here, and the queen was also sentenced to death shortly after. I think it was hardly 6 or 1 year gap in between the execution of the king and queen, and in this way there was the end of king and queen and the end of the monarch form of the government. And this time the power was totally in the hands of the republican form of government. Republic beta, since very childhood you are learning about this. Republican form of government means a country where the head of the country is elected by the people. Unlike America, you can say in America the president is the head of the country and he is elected by the people. In America the president is elected directly by the people. In the same manner in our country the constitutional head of the country is president again in India, and here also the president is one of the elected person, though in our country he is not elected directly by the people. So, but republican form of government means where the head of the country is elected. So, such form of government is known as the republican form of government. So, now the France became a republic country in 1792.